In this course, we will take a deep dive into the role of OpenAI in innovating technology. Now, OpenAI has played a very significant role in innovating technology through different avenues. For example, conducting research. OpenAI conducts cutting-edge research into artificial intelligence. It explores into new algorithms, models, and techniques that can push the boundaries of what AI system can achieve. OpenAI was also involved in the development of AI tools and frameworks like the chatgpt that we have now. Another important thing that OpenAI is doing is that it is involved in ethical AI development. OpenAI is committed to developing AI that is safe and ethical to the world. The company is also promoting collaboration. OpenAI collaborates with other research institutions, universities, organizations, and all other organizations. And by fostering collaboration and knowledge sharing, OpenAI has been able to accelerate progress and promotes innovation in AI research and development. So you will learn more about the role of OpenAI in this course. Number 2, in this course, you will learn the different types of AI products and how they work. In this course, we will take you through a deep dive into AI products that are currently in use and their functionalities underlying the underlying technology and how they are applied in different domains. For example, you will get to learn about chatbots. Chatbots use NLP algorithms to understand and generate human-like responses. For example, when you put in some keywords, the chatbot will reply you based on what you have put into the input section. They often employ techniques such as sequence-to-sequence models, transformers, and language models like GPT. There are also language translation tools. These products leverage on NLP model to translate text into one language or another. Another important aspect that I want to tell you about these products is that we also have image recognition products. We have products that are able to recognize images, and they can be used for detecting objects, and use of technology such as convolution neural networks. And this can be used to analyze and interpret visual data. When you view something with your eyes, that information can be interpreted by a chatbot or an AI product. We also have other applications like the autonomous vehicles, for example, the self-driving vehicles. We also have industrial robots that are AI powered, and it's also covered in this course. The third goal of this course is to help you compare the roles of ChatGPT and Google in terms of artificial intelligence development. Now, ChatGPT was developed by OpenAI and Google. They are both significant players in the field of AI development. So we are saying that ChatGPT, which was developed by OpenAI, in this case we are referring to OpenAI and Google. They are both big companies that have played a major role in AI development. So to be brief, I want to tell you some of the differences between Google and OpenAI. So ChatGPT, which was developed by OpenAI, is a language understanding tool. ChatGPT focuses on the natural language understanding and generation of tasks. It utilizes large-scale deep learning models, particularly the transformer architectures, and they are able to generate human-like responses. So when you talk to a ChatGPT program, it is able to interact with you just like your friend or your instructor can interact with you. Then another thing is that ChatGPT is involved in is more of conversational. The primary use of ChatGPT is that it's used for building conversations. Now, Google is different in the sense that Google is more diverse in terms of AI applications, and Google is also involved in large-scale deployment. So you'll get to learn more of these differences if you enroll in the ChatGPT course. So above all, you will get to learn how ChatGPT can be used in a positive way. Now, ChatGPT can be utilized positively in various domains and applications to enhance productivity, creativity, accessibility, and user experience. For example, ChatGPT can be used for customer support and service. ChatGPT can also be used for education and tutoring. ChatGPT can also be used for content creation and writing assistance. We can also use ChatGPT for language learning and practice. It can also be used for mental health support and many other positive uses that we will cover in this course. As an AI tool, ChatGPT has its shortcomings. And in this course, we are going to look at some of the issues that are raised because of the use of ChatGPT. For example, we are going to look at things like context sensitivity. We will look into bias and inaccuracy. Not every information that is available online or not all the information that will be given by ChatGPT can be said to be accurate. And this is a very important concern that has been raised by various stakeholders. You will also get to understand issues such as safety and toxicity when it comes to the use of OpenAI. You will also learn consistency and coherence. ChatGPT responses may lack consistency. For example, when you're using it for mathematics, you will find that you don't get consistent results when you are trying to solve a statistical problem. So this is among some of the shortcomings that you need to learn about and what is being done by the company to resolve this problem. You also learn things like real-time interaction and latency because ChatGPT responses generation process may introduce latency, particularly in applications requiring real-time interactions, such as chatbots or virtual assistants. In this course, you'll also get to learn how to develop or train another GPT model, the steps that are involved and the considerations that you need to take. For example, we'll help you define the objectives of some of the cases. You'll also be able to learn how to collect data and prepare different data sets that are relevant to your objectives. You will learn model architecture and selection. You'll also learn how to set up the training infrastructure. We also have aspects such as pre-training and fine-tuning. Now, ChatGPT and ChatGPT Plus have similarities, but it's also important to know what is the difference between the two tools. So in this course, you will get to learn about all these things and much more. So if you find value in what I'm talking about, if you believe that ChatGPT and OpenAI or AI in general is going to bring a big impact in your life, then this is the course that you need to enroll into. Start learning about ChatGPT. Start learning how to use ChatGPT positively. Learn about the challenges or shortcomings of ChatGPT. So thank you so much, and I will see you once you enroll in my course on ChatGPT.